right, welcome to the launch of the 2023 GASGAS MC 250F and MC 450F factory editions. Now these are incredibly exciting for us because they're all new models, but also for the brand, these are the first factory editions that we have in the market. So over the next 90 minutes, I'm going to go bolt by bolt with you.
Oh, 90 minutes? This is ridiculous. Let's go ride.
Through topology optimization and of course, design and engineering benchmark. Now to really take this deep dive, I'm going to go into the frames and...
We'll take it from here.
Okay. Dustin Barcia and Pierce Brown, I guess.
Well, what can I say? The bike is unbelievable. First ride, legit. The engine is unreal out of the corners. The bottom end, mid-range, it pulls so hard. The suspension's awesome. Hitting this stuff as hard as I want, no bottoming out. The bike altogether, when I'm riding, feels way lighter on the jumps.
The Brembo brakes, the front brakes on this thing are unbelievable. Has a floating front rotor and the disc guard, which is really cool. I'm just really excited to get on this thing and get to the races on it.
New frame, chassis, the frame is awesome. You can hit stuff so hard, it doesn't get out of control, stays straight, so it makes it really easy to ride. Obviously, factory edition, we have triple clamps, we have the wheels, exhaust. It's kind of endless on the cool factor. Biggest thing for me, obviously I always want to look cool, and TLD decked this thing out. It's very sleek now. And for me, that's great because I move forward and backward on the bike nonstop, so super comfortable.